Are your monitor resolution completely out of whack on Windows 11? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to download, install, and use Custom Resolution Utility or CRU. Go to Google and search for Custom Resolution Utility, and from the search results, make sure to select the website called Monitor Tests, and downloading this software from any other website could be risky. CRU is a free Windows utility created by ToastyX that lets you to modify how your monitor defines its resolutions. Right at the top, you could see the link to download the zip file. Click on the link right in front of the download. Once the download is finished, go to your downloads folder, select the zip file, and then click on Extract All. Click on extract. This should automatically open the extracted folder. You will see a few different files, including the main CRU app. But to completely wipe your display override, we actually don't need to open the main program. Instead, we need to open another program called reset-all. Double click on it to run it. This will instantly restart your graphics driver. Your screen will go black and flash for a few seconds. Don't panic. This is completely normal. And then it would ask you to confirm reset all displays and delete inactive entries. All you have to do is click yes. Then you will get a message saying displays reset successfully. Click on OK. To actually apply these changes, you could either restart your computer or run another application called Restart 64 by double clicking on it. Then you will get another message saying graphics driver restarted. And finally, click on exit and you're done. Your display drivers are refreshed and back to factory detection. If this quick fix saved you a headache, check out my other videos on screen optimization and tech fixes right here on the screen. Drop a like and I will see you in the next one.